what I'm going to show you is my basically the cereal that I eat almost every morning, and it comes from the Engine 2 diet book by Rip Esselstyn. It's called Rip's Big Bowl, and he's got an actual recipe in there for it with measurements and things, but it's basically a mix of cereals, different cereals, and you top it with your favorite non-dairy milk and some fresh fruit. It's never the same, he says. It depends on whatever he's got on hand. I tend to stick to kind of the same basic ingredients, and I add whatever fruit and stuff I want to it. So what I'm going to add is whole rolled oats. I eat them raw. Yep. Kind of like a muesli, really. So I just pour those in. I don't measure anything, I just kind of dump it in. But I do try to eat oats every day. I'll explain that in another video, but they're very good for your cholesterol and your arteries. I add, he calls for some sort of whole shredded wheat, so I love the Kashi brand, and this one is the Cinnamon Harvest. I'm just going to dump some of that in there. Now this is sweetened, so I don't use a ton of it. I use more oats than anything. I'll toss that in. Another thing he calls for is like grape nuts or the Ezekiel brand crunchy cereal. I do splurge and get this one. I really do like it. You could get grape nuts too. I think grape nuts would be a couple bucks cheaper a box. So dump some of that in. Gives it a nice crunchy texture. And Uncle Sam cereal. I have to be honest, when I first tried this a long time ago, I thought it tasted like cardboard, and it still does, but when you mix it with this other stuff, it's actually pretty good. And it's got flax seeds in it. And I used that up, so we'll recycle that box. The other thing is I think actually the recipe does call for it, raisins, so I just toss some raisins in, just break them up. It provides some natural sweetness, and his recipe calls for walnuts. I go easy on the walnuts. These I actually do measure out. I'm going to put about 1/4 of a cup in here for the whole thing, and I tend to get pretty much a little walnut piece in most bites, so that's good enough for me. I'm only going to add like 1/4 of a cup. As we go on and I do more videos, you will know why I'm starting to cut the fats a little bit. I'm eating too many of them. It's not allowing me to lose weight, but I will explain that in a future video. So that's it. Then I just get my hands in there and I mix it up. You can top this with fresh fruit. This is actually hearty enough for me, and I don't really need to add anything. Sometimes I'll put a banana in it. But take whatever serving size floats your boat. But this will last me most of the week, if not the whole week. That's it. You just put it in a big container, put it in your pantry, and you're done.